Hello my lovely students, how are you all? Our science lesson for today is what are some animal life cycles? Today you will learn to identify patterns and stages in the life cycles of animals. We will also use simple models to represent and connect the correct order of stages of animal life cycles. Please my students, bring your science books and open them on page 209. Look at the picture. This animal is in an early stage of its life cycle. It does not look like the adult it will become. It has just hatched from an egg. Now it is eating to prepare for its next stage in its life cycle. Can you guess or predict which adult organism this animal develops into? Maybe this animal will become a butterfly or a ladybug. Anyway, we will visit this question again at the end of this lesson. Maybe later you will have the correct answer. In lesson 1, you learned that plants go through life stages. The life stages of plants happen in a certain order. Animals also have life cycles that happen in a certain order. Today, we will learn about animals' life cycles. Now I want you to observe the following images and try to arrange the stages of the life cycle of the dog in order. When you look at the pictures of the dogs, what clues can you use to make a prediction about which stage of the life cycle each dog is in? Yes, the size of the dog, the age of the dog, what the dogs are doing can help you to predict about which stage of the life cycle this dog is in. Now let's try to arrange the pictures together. Which one is picture number 1? Great. Number 2, number 3, and number 4. It's a dog's life. Explore the following images to discover the different life stages of a dog. Now please, I want you to open your books on page 210. Look at the pictures of dogs in different life stages. Read the captions too, then use the word bank to put the stages in correct order. Picture number 1. This puppy has just been born. Birth is the first stage in the life cycle of some animals. Picture number 2. This dog is near the end of its life cycle and will eventually die. Death is the end of a life cycle. Picture number 3. The adult dog has just completed the reproduction stage of life and is shown here with her puppies. The last picture. This puppy is in the growth stage of its life cycle. So now let's arrange or use the word bank to put the stages in correct order. Please pause the video, try to answer this question, then check your answer. Stage number 1 is birth. Stage number 2 is growth. Stage number 3 is reproduction. Stage 4, or the final one, the last one, is death. Now please open your books on page 211. Scientists often use a GPS or global positioning system devices to study animals. A GPS uses satellites to help track the animal as they move or migrate to new areas. Some penguins migrate to a new location when it's time to reproduce. Why do you think animals move to reproduce? Yes, to find an area with the right amount and kind of food, water, shelter, and space for their young to survive and grow. The tracking devices help scientists follow the animals to learn more about their life cycles. If you look at picture number 1, here scientists can place GPS radio collars on animals to track their movement. Picture number 2, some animals are tracked with a chip that is injected under their skin. Look at the third picture. These scientists are tracking marine animals after an oil spill. The question is, why might scientists track animals after an oil spill? Yes, to make sure the animals survive. Now let's move to the last picture, picture number 4. This penguin is wearing a satellite tag. The wire is an antenna that sends information to the satellite. Now please, I will give you time to read question 3 and try to answer it by yourself. Pause the video and try to answer it by yourself. What can scientists learn about penguins tagged with tracking devices? Circle all that apply. Let's read all the choices. A. Where the animals are located. B. What the animals eat. C. How old the animals are. D. How long the animals stay in one place. The correct answer is where the animals are located and how long the animals stay in one place. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.